In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to assign a lead within your agency. A lead, though, is not a person. A customer is actually a person. So a lead is that vacation that maybe a customer wants. It's a potential or possible reservation. Let's say the client has called. It could be your very best client. They've called for something. Maybe they want to take, a tour or something in 2025 that's not even available yet. So you can put it in as that lead and then follow up with them later or market to them. So you can click here on leads, or you can click here on the side. New lead. Since they're not a customer, well, they could be a customer at this point, and you could choose them. Or if it is a new customer that you're putting in, maybe to assign it to an agent, click here, put their email in here, you can add their phone number and hit save. And so now they're in there as a customer. Maybe you know where they want to go. Maybe they want to do a Disney World trip, so you could choose that on here. Maybe you know it's just Disney World tickets only, so you can choose it if you want. You don't have to do that. If you want to put a date in, maybe they want it to go in the month of April, you could put all of April in here, or you could just leave it blank and then the agent can fill it in later. Perhaps you have some notes, you've talked to them, or maybe they sent an email over, maybe there's 6 guests going, maybe you know they want a deluxe resort, anything you want to type in here to share with that agent, and then always put some sort of lead name in. Maybe you know that this is going to be a birthday trip, so you could even put that in. Birthday trip. Perhaps you want to add some other labels. It's WDW. Maybe they don't want to go until 2025, and so you're putting that in. Something maybe that you can sort later is really good with those lead names, but I'm going to leave that part blank, and then I just hit save, and once I hit save, I've successfully saved that lead. And then this one was assigned to Susie Jones. She will actually get notification inside her Vacation Creations account at this little bell up here. It'll have a little red mark. So let's say that we had our own lead that's come in. So I'm going to do, let me get back out of here. Whoops, I've saved it. Let me go back. It will also show up here for you and show what agent has it. If you've filtered it, you can show all of the agent leads that have come up, so you can really track who is closing leads and who is not by doing this, because if this particular agent is working on this lead and they've worked on it and they click up here to convert the lead to a reservation, it will no longer show up here. And then of course you'll be able to tell with that little yellow mark that this has been a lead that's been turned into a reservation. But let's just say I've got a new lead. Maybe it's something that for the agency, it's someone that has called before. Let's do Pluto here, and maybe they want to take a Disney cruise in 2026. So I'm just gonna put that in as the lead name. If this is whoever you are for the agency, you have your own name here. It's yourself, and then you can, again, choose your destination, product if you want. Maybe you want to choose what date, maybe they want to go in 2026 in March. You can put that in if you want. But the nice thing here, and I am signed in as Susie Jones, so I'll do that. The nice thing here is that when you hit save, you've saved the lead. You then can go back in all of your leads and you can sort that. So if you want to sort any, DCL 2026 and you start typing that in, obviously only the DCL 2026 is going to come up. And then in the marketing campaigns, you can go in here, and if you want to send a marketing campaign, you can actually go down here, customer leads. You can choose the product for Disney. You can choose Disney Cruise Line. And then when 2026 opens up, you can choose the dates of 2026 if you like to do that. And then anyone that you have as a lead for a Disney Cruise Line between those dates, you can send them out a marketing campaign email and let them know, hey, the dates have opened up for 2026 and we'd love to book your cruise for you. So it's a really nice way of getting the leads into Vacation Creations, because number one, you've got them there to market to in the future, even if they don't end up actually converting into a reservation, you've got all these leads here, and all of these clients that you've put in here, you can still market to them, and you've captured their information, which is really great.